It's asking us how much is 168 centimeters in feet and inches. So we want 168 cm, 2 feet and inches. So again, this here is, again, I have a, this here is, I'm going from the metric to the imperial, right? And both of these guys measure the length. So again, cm here is the metric system, feet and inches are indeed the imperial. So again, I need conversion factor, right? So I know my conversion factor is 1 cm here is going to equal basically 1 divided by 2.54. 1 divided by 2.54 inches, which will equal 0.393701 inches. So what we can do with this information is we can convert this centimeters, right? So if I have 168 cm multiplied by, again, I have 0.393701 inches in 1 cm, and I can solve for my inches here, right? So again, the cm's are going to cancel out, and I simply just have to multiply through. So I have 168 times 0.393701. This is going to give me 66.142 inches. And then finally, what I have to do is I have to convert this into, I want feet and inches, right? So now I'm totally in the imperial system. I can convert this guy into feet and inches as well. So again, I have 66.142 inches. I'm going to multiply that by how many feet are in 1 inch. Well, I know, or so how many inches are in feet. I know that there are indeed 12 inches in a feet, right? So I can say here, in 1 feet, there are 12 inches, right? So again, these units cancel out, so I can simply divide both of these guys here. So 66.142 divided by 12 will give me a value of 5.51 feet. So I'm gonna, in this case, I'm gonna round down, right? And the reason why I'm rounding down here is that I want feet and inches here. So I'm gonna round down to 5 feet. 5 feet. Which will equal, again, 5 feet here equals simply just 5 times 12 inches, which is 60 inches, right? So in this case here, my final answer is I have 5 feet, 5 feet here, which is 60 inches, and I'm going to subtract this number, right? 66.142 minus 60 here, I'm left with 6.142 inches, so this would be around 5 feet and 6.142 inches here. So you can basically say that, therefore, our solution is 168 cm equals about 5 feet, 6.14 inches here. So the solution here is correct. They actually wrote only feet here, so I don't think they give me inches, so I'm going to say solution here is incomplete. I don't know if they want feet and inches or feet, or is that separate, but maybe I'll say solution here is correct and they just misunderstood the problem here. I'm going to add on to their answer and say 168 cm equals 5.512 feet. So therefore 160 cm would equal 5 feet and 6.142 inches here. The solution here is correct.